technology plays a key component to enable and bridge that collaboration equity no matter where people work. I've been looking at future work for over 7 years now, and we've been seeing this shift to the end user having more choice and flexibility. The last couple of years with the pandemic really has accelerated the future work. With the pandemic, people have had to work from home pretty much overnight. We're going to see an increase of people who want to be able to work both in the office and at home. And so hybrid work is this flexible model to allow choice for employees to be able to work wherever they need to. For people who are working remotely, some of the challenges that they face, being able to feel connected with their colleagues. I think another challenge as well is this feeling of, will I have kind of equal participation in a conversation or equal participation in a meeting? So one of the pieces of this that becomes really important is that technology plays a key component of being able to enable and bridge that collaboration equity no matter where people work. When we first developed HP Presence, we had our designers and our engineers sit with facilities, teams. We observed end users and observed all the pain points that they were having to collaborate. We really built HP Presence starting with the experience. Before, they've had challenges of when they walk into the room, can they find how easily it is to share content onto the screen, right? Do they need to connect cables? How do they connect people who are calling in remote? How do the people remote be able to see everything that's happening in the room? For example, if someone is speaking and presenting in the conference room, but then they get up and then they walk around, we want to ensure that people are able to see what's happening in the room and be able to look at the presenter, the facial expressions, the body language as that presenter is moving throughout the conference room. We want to ensure that people have the flexibility to work no matter where they want to work, to not have that fear of missing out if they don't want to come into the office or they're working or they're dialing into a meeting room. We actually design HP Presence in PCs as well. So no matter where you're working, that you have the best audio and video quality. So we have HP PCs that are enhanced by HP Presence technology. I often get the question of, well, is the office still relevant? The office is very relevant. In fact, 87% of people want to come back into the office. So the role of the office will be to build a sense of community and for collaboration. We're seeing a number of customers, including HP, who are redesigning our offices to optimize more collaboration spaces, more meeting rooms, more shared desks, more hot desking, but increasing the amount of spaces that they have for collaboration. Our HP Presence strategy actually spans across meeting rooms and meeting spaces to PCs, peripherals, as well as displays. Ideation is very important with collaboration. So how do you enable everybody to brainstorm together to be able to collaborate in a hybrid work environment? You want people who are remote to be able to collaborate just as easily and ideate just as easily as those in the room. So what becomes really important are inking capabilities on the PCs to be able to have a digital whiteboard. So we have a partnership with Avocor for a large format display so that you can ideate on the whiteboard. The people who are remote have their inking devices and then they contribute just as well. So ideation and co-creation becomes very critical, especially in the hybrid work environment, because we're used to co-creating in person. There's a big opportunity to be able to connect everybody together and for everybody to be able to have the flexibility to work in a hybrid work environment, no matter where they choose to work, right? We want to enable people to be just as productive, to be able to collaborate, just as if they were in person.